In this video, I will navigate you through how to cancel your Elevenlabs subscription. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Your encouragement motivates us to keep producing top-notch content. To discontinue Elevenlabs subscription, you might find the products aren't meeting your expectations or needs, or you're seeking a different brand with better features or affordability. If you're ready to end your subscription but are unsure of the process, here we are. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Elevenlabs website. Once there, ensure you are signed into your account. You can do this by clicking the Sign In button and entering your login credentials. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the right-hand corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the subscription option. On the subscription page, you'll be able to view details of your current plan. To proceed with canceling your subscription, locate and click on the Manage Subscription button. This action will redirect you to another page specifically for managing your subscription settings. Scroll down to the bottom of this page, where you will find the Cancel Subscription button. Click this button to initiate the cancellation process. For additional confirmation and peace of mind, you can refer to the Help Center article titled, "How Can I View, Cancel, or Upgrade My Plan and Subscription?" This article reiterates that the Cancel Subscription option is located at the bottom of the page you're currently on. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Elevenlabs subscription. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to receive notifications for our future videos. Explore our website MediaMagnetGuide.com for a variety of tutorials and resources covering a wide range of topics.